Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can turn off the typing indicator on Facebook Messenger. You know, that little notification that pop-ups when you are typing a message to someone. Some people like it, but many of us prefer to keep our privacy and stop showing others when we are typing. So let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. In the Messenger app, select the conversation with the person whose typing indicator you want to disable. Now tap on Profile Photo at the top of your screen. Inside this section, you will see several options. Now scroll down and you will see an option called Typing Indicator. Tap on it. By default, this feature is enabled. That is why every time you type, other people will see your typing. To disable this feature, simply toggle off this option. From now on, every time you type, your friends won't know that you are replying to their message. However, you also cannot see other people when they are typing. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends who might also find it useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.